Hey too, I love Halloween. How about you?
Well, since you like Halloween, I will like it too.
Oops, sorry guys, I was just practicing.
It's alright, 4.
I'm gonna practice somewhere else.
Phew, that almost snapped me out of existence.
Hello, 1 and 2. Oh crap, it's Thanos. Ah. 1, calm down. It's me. 5, I'm just dressed like Thanos for Halloween.
Oh okay.
Enjoy trick-or-treating.
I'm gonna check on 30. Hello 30. Oh, 30, what's the matter?
Hello, 1. I'm just depressed because I can't find a Halloween costume that I can wear for Halloween.
Well, look at the bright side, 30. You are an entertainer just like 300, and 3000.
You're right, 1. I'm actually an entertainer. I'm a clown that can make people laugh out loud. I'm 10 times bigger than 3, and...
Whoa, what just happened? Oh hello there, I am 31. And I love Halloween, and I'm also a pumpkin carver. I am an odd and prime number. I'm 3 tens and 1 1. Well, that's it for me.
I am 30. I am 10 times 3. Wanna see the numbers between 30 and 40? Let's do it.
I am 30. I låg lika aan pumpkin. I am mooi important to so in October.
I am 32. I am another one of those super rectangles.
I am 33. I am not 33 football teams, sadly. I am 2 football teams and 11 cheerleaders.
Some painters paint spots. Some painters paint rainbows. But no other painter can paint as good old 34.
My name is 35. I am 5 sevens. That's it.
Mijn naam is 36. I am a super rectangle square step squat. Pretty rare, am I right?
My name is 37. I am 4 pleasure. I am prime. My name is 38. I am double 19.
My name is 39. I am Jésus.
Oh, I think they're gone. Oh no.
Oh no, no that's
Yes?
Go, owner 106.
Dit zomaar is owner 106. Drink die water. Okay. Okay, I will see you later.
Here to the
Hip,
hurrah.
hurrah.
Alright, 44. We will figure you out. We both have 4s and we are 4 11s. And we're 40 and 4. I figured myself out. Well hello there.